My favorite avocado is the Pollock from Trinidad and Tobago. I absolutely love that. But since I don't have that available, I'm going to be using a Haas avocado for our recipe today. Very simple and delicious. First, you want to cut your avocado in half, and see these little brown spots right there? I'm going to cut those out. I want to show you this before we get started. This is so cool. I found it at the thrift store, and I thought it would be really cool to have it to mash stuff in. You know, at home we had a large stone that we used for grinding stuff on, so I'm going to use this to mash my avocado. I took the seed out and peeled the avocado and took out whatever discolored spots there were, and now I have them in my lovely, I'm going to call this my clay mortar for mashing. And for mashing, I have this really cool utensil. It's from Ghana. I got it at when I was on a recent vacation in Hartford, Connecticut. We went to a Ghanaian store, which was really delightful. So I got this, and you know, sometimes I like to grind my garlic by hand, and this is a very useful tool for that. But today I'm going to be using it to smash my avocado, ZABOCA. I just wanted to mention that when you hear me say ZABOCA, it just means avocado. In Trinidad and Tobago, we call avocados ZABOCA. Same thing. So don't I didn't want you to get confused. Since we're making avocado toast or ZABOCA toast, I'm going to toast my slice of bread. This is a really delicious bread. It is whole wheat and it's seeded. It's got all the seeds there on top. And it tastes great fresh, and it's also delicious when you toast it. So I'm going to toast this while I'm preparing the avocado. And if you look real closely at this bread, you'll see that there are actually seeds inside of it as well. It is really delicious. It's going to be perfect for our avocado toast, ZABOCA toast. So now it's time to smash this avocado, and I'm going to be using my Tipoli. This is my smasher, and very simple, just smash that up. Man, I'm so happy I got this because this works perfectly for what I want. So usually, like when I do my guacamole, I tend to do it kind of chunky, but this I want kind of nice and smooth and creamy. See that? Look at that. That's how I want it. This is perfect. So now I have my avocado nice and creamy and smashed there, ready for my ZABOCA or avocado toast. So I'm just scraping down the sides here, and then I'm going to add just a couple simple elements to this to elevate the taste of the ZABOCA. So I'm just going to use 3 different things to add to the mix here. We have some pink Himalayan sea salt. I have some sriracha seasoning, so I'll add a sprinkle of that. And I have, of course, cannot miss this, Mommy's delicious pepper sauce. I hope that'll be enough. This is her homemade award-winning pepper sauce. So you just add salt to your taste. A little bit of the sriracha seasoning there. And our lovely pepper sauce. I like mine hot, so I'm using a lot of pepper sauce here. And then all I'm going to do is just stir this all together. Because we already have it nice and creamy. Don't need to like smash it anymore. This is going to be nice and spreadable on the toast. Now, definitely want to taste this. And it is perfect. So our toast is done. If you heard any clicking in the background, that was that toaster oven doing that little noise there. So now all we have to do is just put our ZABOCA spread onto our bread. I have it like a medium brown toasted, which is the way I like mine. And I'm just going to use the same spatula and just spread this all over my toast. And this is our delicious avocado ZABOCA toast. Guys, breakfast never has to be boring. And the great thing about doing something like this is that it's great for breakfast, but it's also really nice as a snack. And you can make it like appetizers, you know, if you cut your bread into small pieces. And just for a finishing touch, and it'll be a nice decoration for toast, I'm just sprinkling a little bit of this sriracha seasoning. It's a pretty red color on our toast. And now I am ready for round 2. Can't let this waste, can we? And round 1, just to let you know, was really divine. Superb. A little bit more right there. Gotta get those spaces filled up.